All right, so here, when would an ordinary annuity consisting of money payments of $200 at 5% compounded monthly be worth more than a principal of $10,000 invested at 7.5% compounded monthly? All right, so what we need to do is we need to come up with the two things, and then we can graph them, we can set them equal to each other or whatever. So let's kind of figure out what the two pieces we have are. So first piece, we're going to have a future value. So we'll say future value is equal to what? We're investing $200 a month times 1 plus, and now we're doing it 5% monthly, so 0.05 over 12. And then that's going to be basically 12 times some x, and then minus 1. And then that's all over 0.05 over 12. Okay. Now, the second part says we're going to take a principal of 10,000, invest at 7.5% compounded monthly. So we're looking for A in that case. So that's 10,000 times, and here we have our interest rate, 1 plus 0.075 divided by 12. And here we have 12 again times x. Okay. Now, those two are going to be what we want to do is we want to figure out when one's greater than the other one. So let's plug those into a graph. I think that might be one way to do it. So let's quit that, go over here. Let's clear that. Let's clear that. So what did we have? We had 200 times, and we had 1 plus zero point zero 0.05 divided by 12, and then that was raised to the 12x, arrow down, minus 1, parenthesis, divided by parenthesis, and that was zero point zero 0.05 divided by 12, parenthesis, and that should be all we have on that one. The other one invested 10,000, 1, 1, 2, 3, times 1 plus zero point zero 0.075, and that's divided by 12 because it was monthly also. And then that was raised to the power of 12x. All right, so now what we need to do is hopefully figure out where our thing is going to be for this. Maybe let's do years. I don't know. Let's do 15 years. I don't know when it's going to be. Let's go by 5. And I don't know what the graph up there is going to be. So let's say, okay, let's do that and see. Oh, good. We can see it. So where the intersects is going to be the point where it starts. So let's do a second trace, 5. And so it intersects at this point here. And we want to know what that's going to be. When it's greater than that, it's going to be the blue one is more. So greater than 5.46 years, basically, it looks like. So uh, when it is greater than 5.46 years. Now, since we're doing everything monthly, maybe we should put months in here too. So let's quit this. 5.46 times 12. So 65.52. So we can say, or 65.52 months. And to be able to make sure it is, we go to the next month, and so that would be 66 months. Okay. Now, if we went to 5.5 years or something like that, that's going to be a little bit different. So that would give us the 66 months directly if we round it up to 5.5. And so that's kind of the way. But months are going to be the better way to go, I think, in this case, because that's going to be a little more precise since we're doing everything monthly as far as our payments, so, because we're dividing by 12. And so let's do it months. And so that gives us 66 months. All right. So that's all I have for this section. Hopefully that helps.